So one of the things I'm asked about quite frequently is the difference between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Mini Fly More combo, and which one you should get. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Mavic Mini Fly More combo and talk about what's included in that versus the standard Mavic Mini. So let's go ahead and unbox the Fly More combo. All right, so first thing we're going to see here is we have a case. So the case itself has some heft to it, so we'll go ahead and take a look and see what's inside of that. And the case is something that is included in the Fly More combo, but not in the regular Mavic Mini. And I also wanted to say that this is my first time actually opening this box, so I'm curious to see how things are packaged and what is inside. Oh, so that's pretty cool. So they actually have everything included in the case itself. So we'll go ahead and take a closer look at that in just a moment. So let's put that guy right there. So in there we've got another box. Looks like from this is going to be the guards. So I'll leave that in the box just for right now. Some accessories, which for that it's probably going to be power. So leave that guy right there. This looks like batteries, and this that looks like documentation. So let's go with the easiest one. Looks like the batteries. And we've got 1, 2, 3 batteries in here. And it looks like that is all that's in that box. Got our documentation here. Yeah. Really need that right this time. And then got this box here. Which is just power. All right. So I guess it is important to take a look at what is actually included in the case itself. So in the case, it looks like this is going to be the external charger, which will allow you to charge up to 3 batteries at the same time, which is really cool. Got the controller. Some more accessories. This is probably going to be cables and or props. Or possibly all of the above. Okay, so these are thumbsticks. This is a screwdriver. Got charging cables, another charging cable, and then we've got the cables to go from the controller to your phone. And these are probably going to be additional props, if I have to guess. Yep. So we've got the additional props there. So then let's go ahead and make everything a little bit nicer here and talk about the differences between the Fly More combo and the standard Mavic Mini. All right, so now that I've cleaned everything up a little bit, let's talk about what you get with the Fly More combo. With the Fly More combo, you actually receive 3 batteries. With the standard Mavic Mini, you only receive 1. Each one of those batteries goes for about $46 a piece if you can find them. Like right now on Best Buy, they're back ordered. You can't even find them anywhere. So that alone almost gets you to the price for the Fly More combo itself. It also comes with a charger. I should say a USB wall unit. That is not included in the standard Mini as well. And also the case. The charging hub. That's $40 as well. So if you look at just the power alone, you are saving a ton of money by going the Fly More combo. Also with the Fly More combo, you get additional blades. You get this case. The case itself, it looks pretty good. You're going to pay at least $20 for a case, and that's not going to be a DJI branded case. And then also you get the propeller guards as well. I don't know if I'm going to use the propeller guards, but the propeller guards are $20 as well. So if you do all the math, the Fly More combo far exceeds the value that is inside of it. So I definitely recommend, if you are looking at a Mavic Mini and deciding whether or not you should pay the extra $100 or not, definitely go with the Fly More combo. So with that, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask as well. And with that, have a great day.